Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here with a question. How would you like to invest $2 with the potential of earning $47,185 in the next 20 weeks? Now, how would you like for me to get you started by investing your first $2? Then, how would you like to watch in real time your $2 investments turn into $47,185 in the next 20 weeks? If the answer is yes to these questions, then scroll down into the description of this video and find the link and request to learn how a $2 investment returns $47,185. Wait! One last thing before I go. Be a good team player. Please subscribe to my channel. Ring that little bell. Like and share this video. Okay, you know what to do. Follow the arrow to start turning $2 into $47,185. I'll be waiting for you in my live training room so you can see in real time how your $2 investment could turn into $47,185.